This How to Do Florida segment is presented by Visit Florida.
Hey, I don't want to rub it in here, but let's face it, we live where most people vacation, so options for getaways are plentiful. Christy and I are heading to New Smyrna Beach, just south of Daytona Beach, on what's known as Florida's Fun Coast. This fantastic little gem of a beach town has everything you could want. Great accommodations, terrific dining, shopping, tons of activities, and some of the most beautiful beaches. To do a getaway right, nothing beats staying at a local bed and breakfast. Not only are the rooms uniquely quaint and charming, but the staff can be invaluable in helping you decide where to go and what to do to make the most of your time together. New Smyrna Beach has a wide variety of places to stay, from beach houses, condos, to hotels.
I love coming to a bed and breakfast because it's just full of decorating ideas. Each room has its own unique flair.
We're fishing today with Bill and Bobby Fisher.
I'm the captain. I'm the captain.
They're taking us out on the Indian River Lagoon on this picture-perfect Florida morning. We find a good spot, and before I can even get my bait in the water.
Wow!
Girl, what is that?
Giant!
Oh my gosh, he's got a huge trout on.
Wow!
That is a monster trout.
Oh!
Oh!
Woo!
We've been out here for
Nice.
maybe 5 minutes, and Christy just pulled in
Perfect.
a big, big trout.
Woo! Bye-bye, fishy!
Go!
Wow! Look at that! Woo!
Oh my gosh, let me get out of your way here, girl.
Woo!
Lift him up, lift him up. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Okay, so I wanted to do this fishing trip, and Christy's already like just killing me. Whoa.
This weekend getaway is quickly turning into my wife's getting away with all the fish.
What you got, what you got, what
I
you
got
got?
one! I got one!
Go, go, go,
I think it's a big one. What is that?
Oh my gosh, it's a snook.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Serious?
You
Oh my
got,
gosh, it's the
oh
first
my
one I've
God.
ever caught.
You got a snook. Oh my gosh.
Yes. My first snook, honey.
This girl is killing me. She's caught way more trout than I have, and here it is. She catches my favorite fish. You know, you come out here with a guide, you learn so much. These guys do this all the time. They live out here, and they know this area, and they're just a wealth of knowledge. So you're not only catching fish, you're learning about the environment, and it is just a full experience.
Yeah, these guys sure know what they're doing, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Don't mess around at all.
Ooh, something just slammed my bait here. Come on, baby, come on. Be a big trout. Be a big trout. Big
No.
snook. Big snook.
Oh, that's a catfish.
Sail cad. That's embarrassing.
Actually, the embarrassing part wasn't the catfish. It was my wife hooked the biggest fish of the day at the same time.
Oh, I got something.
What do you got over there, girl?
I got a real fish.
Honey, help me get this catfish off the hook.
You kidding me?
Honey, I need help getting this catfish off the
You're gonna
hook.
break my rod.
I've seen Christy catch some big fish. This was a monster.
Are you getting tired? You want me to tag in for you?
No.
Oh, okay.
You're not getting credit for this one.
Well, if you need any help, I'm just trying to help you. This is a monster redfish. Yeah.
Look at that! Oh my gosh!
Perfect.
Oh my gosh! This is like holding a child.
You've got to be kidding me. I mean,
That is giant.
this is the biggest redfish you've ever caught, right?
Oh, probably biggest fish I've ever caught.
Ever caught.
Yeah.
So was this fun?
This is amazing. He is a fighter.
She caught the biggest redfish in her life.
Thanks for the fun adventure.
That's what really motivates us to go tomorrow and the next day and the day after. And the smile on her face was just unbelievable.
Bye-bye.
My understanding that Chad was the fisherman out here, but I don't believe that was the case today. No.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this.
It's all right.
Yeah. You know, one of the many iconic features here in New Smyrna Beach is where we are right now, Disappearing Island. As you can see, we're right here by the lighthouse and right near Ponce Inlet, and it's basically a giant sandbar that sits right here in the inlet. And it kind of comes and goes with the tide. Great place to come up here and pull your boat up, have a picnic, hang out, just relax. And so when you come here, make sure you make it to Disappearing Island.
View more videos at howtodoflorida.com. Presented by Visit Florida.